Sa paglipas ng mga taon, palaging nasa isip ko mga nakaraan natin. Tumatagos sa isipan ko ang iyong ganda, matatamis mong mga ngitian, siyang bumubuhay sa puso ko. Sa puso ko. Whenever I see girls and boys and lanterns on the street, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people, it is not changing guard. I believe that Christmas is truly in their heart. Let's start our Christmas tree for a bright tomorrow, where nations all of peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another new year starts, and may the spirit of Christmas be always in our heart. And every prayer and every song, the community unite, celebrate